Welcome to today's video. If you love grilled meat, bold spices, and authentic street food, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into one of Turkey's most famous dishes, Adana Kebab. Adana Kebab comes from the city of Adana in southern Turkey. This dish is famous for its rich flavor, smoky aroma, and spicy kick. Traditionally, it's made with finely minced lamb, mixed with red pepper flakes, and grilled over hot charcoal on long metal skewers. But Adana Kebab is more than just grilled meat. It's a cultural symbol of Turkish cuisine and a dish that brings people together around the grill. Let's start with the meat. Authentic Adana Kebab uses lamb with a good amount of fat. The fat is essential because it keeps the kebab juicy and adds incredible flavor while grilling. The meat is traditionally chopped by hand using large knives, not ground in a machine. This creates the perfect texture that holds together on the skewer. Next come the spices. The most important ingredient is Turkish red pepper flakes, which give Adana Kebab its signature heat and deep color. Salt is added, and sometimes a little finely chopped red pepper. The mixture is then kneaded until it becomes sticky and well combined. This step is important because it helps the meat stay firmly attached to the skewer during grilling. Now comes the shaping. The meat is pressed firmly onto wide metal skewers. It's shaped into long, flat strips along the skewer, so it cooks evenly over the fire. Traditionally, Adana Kebab is grilled over charcoal. The intense heat creates a smoky flavor and beautiful caramelization on the outside, while keeping the inside juicy and tender. As the kebab cooks, the fat slowly melts and drips onto the charcoal, creating that irresistible aroma that fills the air in Turkish kebab restaurants. Once cooked, the kebab is usually served on warm flatbread. Alongside it, you'll often find grilled tomatoes, green peppers, fresh parsley, onions with sumac, and sometimes a refreshing yogurt sauce. Many people enjoy wrapping the kebab in the bread with the vegetables, creating a delicious and flavorful bite every time. In Turkey, eating Adana Kebab is often a social experience. Friends and family gather around the table, sharing food, conversation, and laughter. Whether you try it at a traditional restaurant or make it yourself at home, Adana Kebab is a dish that truly represents the heart of Turkish cuisine. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Adana Kebab, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments which Turkish dish we should explore next.